How to change up download preference. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change up download preference. First, go to Play Store and then click on your profile here and then click settings, and now all you need to do just click this one and then click this one, up download preference, and you can change it to anything you want, like over Wi-Fi only. And if you want them to ask you every time, just click here. And if you want to change change it to over any network, just click here. And that's how change up download preference on Play Store. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.